Meet FREECOM 4, a fully blown Bluetooth communication system that is wrapped inside a small extra tough shell that is IP67 waterproof. It's also slick, very slick, only 16 millimeters top to bottom, which makes it one of the most aerodynamic Bluetooth communication systems that money can buy. Let's open it and see what's inside. Remove the sleeve to open your FREECOM communicator box. Inside it, you'll find 3 compartments, the middle one containing your communicator and audio kit. A dual set will have 2 of these side by side. Remove the audio kit and then remove the compartment to reveal the documentation envelope underneath it. Inside the documentation envelope, you'll find warranty and safety instructions, a pocket guide, and installation instructions. The left side compartment contains most of the accessories you'll need to install and assemble your FREECOM on your helmet. 40mm high-definition speakers for high-quality sound experience. Hybrid boom microphone for open-faced helmets. A wired microphone for closed-faced helmets. A pair of spacers to adjust the location of the speakers inside the helmet's ear cavity. And a set of 4 velcros, 2 squares and 2 rectangulars. Let's move to the right side. In it, you'll find a wall charger, a USB cable, a thick sponge for your boom microphone, a replacement sponge for your wide microphone, a glue plate for gluing the audio kit onto certain types of helmets, and a pair of 2 alcohol pads for use in the helmet installation process. That's it. Be sure to follow us and watch the next tutorial videos. Until then, ride safe.